welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix unsupported browser on Facebook. If you're having trouble with fixing your unsupported browser on Facebook, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, let's see if there's an update button available for Facebook in your App Store or Play Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, then go to search and search for Facebook. Next, see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. If updating also didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings app and then search for app and then scroll down until you see the option of Facebook. Then scroll down and you'll see the option of storage. Now in the bottom right of your phone you'll see the option of clear cache, so hit clear cache. This clears out all the old data that might be causing issues. Next, if you're an iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of the previous methods help, go ahead and delete the app Facebook from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. In many cases, this is the final fix that helps you solve stubborn problems. I hope this video get back into your Facebook account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.